Encoder is connected to the microprocessor with the 3 wires, and the only requirements for the inputs is manage interrupts on these inputs. Additional RC elements on channel A and B helps reduce noisy coming from channel A and B during rotating. How signal works when we try to turn clockwise. First, interrupt occur on channel A. Interrupt procedure first checks state in this channel. If state is 0, then checking state in channel B. When state is 1, then we can, let's say, account one impulse to positive direction. Very soon, interrupt occur in channel B, and similarly, first procedure checking state in this channel. If this state is 0, then going to checking state in channel A. In this case, state is 0, so no additional action. And please look what is going with signal when we turn encoder counterclockwise. In this case, first interrupt occur in channel B. According to interrupt procedure, first checking state in channel B. If state is 0, then going to checking state in channel A. In this case, state is 1, so we can add one impulse to minus direction. Very soon, interrupt occurs in channel A. In this case, also procedure checking state in this channel, and when 0, then checking state in channel B. In this case, state is 0, so no additional action will be performed. How program looks like? First, we have import necessary modules. Next, define inputs with input number and polarization. In this case, polarization is positive. Next, we define interrupts with falling edge in every channel, and function which service interrupt in particular channel. Main program body consists of empty loop, and definition for counters, and spatially direction variable can service state when encoder will produce negative response with turning right. In this case, it's enough just to change this value to -1. Program which service interrupt for axe switch, just add 1 when this axe is pushed. In channel A and B, we have very similar programs. First, we check state in the channel. If state is 0, then we check state in opposite channel. If state is 1, then we can add or -1 from the counter. Let's start our program. When I push the button, counter changes 1 by 1. When I turn it right, slowly, counter is going up. I can turn it very, very fast, and changes are very reliable. When I turn it left, slowly or fast. Changes also are very reliable.